Welcome back to another episode of Project Super 10. Today we're going to continue working on the suspension. If you caught the last video, we finished up all of the rear suspension, so now we're going to move up to the front. We're going to be doing upper and lower control arms, coil springs, inner and outer tie rods. I know I've ran through this list before. I'm not completely sure what all we're going to do in this video, but again, it's going to be another kind of just follow us around and, watch what we're doing. It's not going to be a step-by-step how-to or anything like that. I did some research and I've found plenty of videos that people have already done on step-by-step videos of how to do this suspension. So I'm not gonna, just throw another one out there to add onto the pile. Our friend Judd is coming over again today to help out with doing the suspension. If anybody's watched the channel for any period of time, I typically work by myself. But having someone over and helping out has made things a lot easier, just on getting things done and being able to set the tools down for a second and grab the camera and film someone doing something. It actually makes it really, really easy to, get a lot of different shots and things like that. So hopefully you guys enjoy having him in the videos as well. I'm going to try to cut down on my rambling. I say that all the time. So I mean it this time. I'm going to try. So we're just going to go ahead and get to work. So as I said, and you saw in the last video, that I had lost pretty much all audio. So I'm just throwing these clips together and trying to at least get a video out of it. We're tearing apart the entire front suspension here. After going through more clips, it was a ton of footage that I got from doing all this, and not only did I lose audio, but I lost some clips. The front suspension took a little bit more than we thought. We ended up having to take the headers off to get the upper control arms out. And over on the passenger side, we had to take the starter and the header out. And then we had a few surprises along the way. We were trying to get the suspension apart and it decided to take itself apart. So it just serves as a reminder that if you're working with coil springs, be careful, they are dangerous. And as you can see here, Judd was having a little bit of a rough day. Some of the parts came apart a little too easy. Like I said, we actually had to remove the starter to help get the upper control arm out of there. And I was having some issues with the starter anyway, so I figured I would go ahead and replace it, and I replaced it with a Jegs high torque mini starter. It seems to work. So that's pretty much what I could put together with the clips I had. I know it wasn't all that great of a video, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it a little bit. As you can see here, once we put it down on the ground, the rear did come down quite a bit, but if you notice, the front end didn't quite come down, and it's got a little bit of a squat to it. So I did figure out why the suspension was setting high in the front. It has been corrected, but you're gonna have to wait for another video on that. I'll explain what exactly happened and how I fixed it, and you'll get to see the truck after it's completely lowered. So again, thanks for checking out the video, even though it was just kind of a clip show here and there. I'm hoping that I'll have my audio issues all figured out here shortly. And as always, if you came across this and you're not a subscriber or you're new to my channel, make sure to go into my channel and check out a couple other videos. I've got all kinds of different stuff in there, more than just videos on this truck. So make sure to go check that out. And if you find a video that you like, hit the like button. If you have something to say, leave it down in the comments. And if you find a couple videos that you like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.